Yo guys, what's happening? So as you can see, it's snowing, it's absolutely freezing, but that's not gonna stop us. Today I've got this absolute minter of a car. So I've known this car for a number of years. It's changed hands a few times and all the previous owners have taken care of it. It's always been a very clean example. The car's never been welded. All original arches, original sills, everything's original, never been in a crash. Like, it's literally the perfect base you can ask for. Then Andrew got his hands on it, he ripped it apart, glass out, full bare metal respray, all new window mouldings, seals, trims, rubbers, weather strips, genuine decals, badges, literally whatever he could find brand new from Honda for an EG. He bought it and he put it on this car. This is literally as close as a brand new EG you can find in 2025. The car's over 30 years old and it looks like it's just rolled out of the factory. So he dropped all the subframe, all the arms, had them all stripped down, powder coated, rebuilt, all new bearings, bushes. And literally everything on this car is brand new. What I'm going to do with this car, yeah, it's not going to be broken. It will stay in one piece. I might sell a couple of bits and pieces of it and, you know, chop and change a few bits to suit it to my taste, but overall you can't ask for a better example. So anyways, let's give you a little walk around. So the car's a genuine EG6 SiR-2 Japanese import. It's a genuine factory black car, tint top. So up front we've got a smooth front bumper, we've got dingy headlights, amber corners, we've got some Teguar air ducts, a genuine spoon carbon fibre front lip. My favourites, the OG Volk Racing TE37s. I think these are 15x7. I'll need to double check. Obviously you got the R888s, you got a EK9 hub swap. Up front we've got EP3 300mm brake conversion. We've also got KW version 1 coilovers, DC2 subframe, steering rack, front and rear anti-roll bars, spoon rear trailing arm bushes, hard rest front wishbone bushes. We've got an ASR subframe brace. Like, everything underneath is literally brand spanking new. So down the side we've got the JDM power folding mirrors, we've got the JDM window visors, obviously the JDM side mouldings, decals. We've got an Osaka JDM devil wing, a wiper delete, the smooth tailgate, OEM decals around the back, and we've got this very rare AC Invo titanium catback. This thing sounds absolutely mental when you're on VTEC. So guys, stop whatever you're doing, go and hit that subscribe button. We've got a lot of cool cars lined up and you guys definitely don't want to miss out. So inside the car, the interior, we've got the SiR-2 interior, the OEM gathers, door tweeters. We've got a flock dash, which looks absolutely lovely. We've got a Broadway rear view mirror, spoon steering wheel with the NRG snap off and the Boss. We've got an ARC titanium gear knob, OEM cup holders, OEM armrest, the DC2 Ricardos, which are in absolutely very good condition for the age, the JDM EG6 5-piece floor mat, and obviously the elephant in the room, the Cusco dash dodger cage. Here's a better look at the cage. So obviously in the back you got the SiR-2 seats, all the usual EG6 SiR plastics. We've got the gather set up, the little pockets, the 5-piece floor mats. So in the engine bay, I'll quickly run over it. So we've got a stock B16A, which is actually the original engine for this car, numbers matching. We've got obviously the wrinkle red valve cover, carbon plug cover, spoon oil cap, Skunk 2 ultra intake manifold, Skunk 2 throttle body. We've got the EK9 throttle cable. We've got the throttle spring off a Lotus to give it a bit more of a firmer pedal. We've got the AEM fuel rail, RDX injectors, spoon leads, OEM airbox with the HKS filter and a custom intake pipe, Skunk 2 alpha exhaust manifold which goes into a D-cut and into the titanium system. We've also got a nice lovely shiny Koyo rad, an S80 gearbox, 4.7 final drive, Quafi LSD, fully rebuilt, bearings, synchro seals, the full works. The Cusco brake master stopper, Skunk 2 battery tie down. The car's also on a Link ECU. It's mapped by AP Performance over in Ireland. Shout out to Angus. I think the car's making about 185 bhp for the B16, which is, it's not bad for a few bolt-ons. So yeah guys, let's go for a little spin. Obviously R888s, snow, wet roads, it's not a good combination, so we'll take it easy.